REHIS 7 Cleaning Practices. Cleaning and disinfection. Kitchens must be clean. Cleaning refers to the removal of dirt, debris and grease. A detergent and hot water is generally used for cleaning, so a detergent is a bit like fairy liquid. Disinfection should take place after cleaning. Disinfection is the process where harmful microorganisms are killed. Disinfectant chemicals must meet the British standards, so you should check the labels or suppliers to ensure the chemicals meet the relevant standards. So cleaning and disinfection. Cleaning is the removal of dirt and grease, I've said that before. Detergent is a chemical used to remove the grease and dirt. Detergent is like fairy liquid. Disinfection is the reduction of bacteria to a safe level. A disinfectant is a chemical used for disinfection. Any disinfectant must be of the standard BSEN 1276 or BSEN 13697. A warning sign should be visible in any area where the cleaning is in progress. A sanitizer is a chemical used for cleaning and disinfection. A bactericide is a substance that destroys bacteria. It's in the name. Bactericide kills bacteria. And contact time is another term you need to know, is the time needed by a chemical such as disinfectant to work properly. So there's 3 stages in the cleaning process. So with pre-clean, you take off any leftover food or rubbish, put that in the bin. Then you main clean with your detergent. You rinse it off so you get rid of any detergent. Then disinfect it with a chemical, and then a final rinse to remove any disinfecting agent, and then drying. If you don't have a dishwasher, there's a hand method of washing dishes using 2 sinks. So basically you remove any heavy or loose soil or leftover food by scraping it and rinsing it in cold or warm water. Place the plates, the pots, whatever the articles are in the first sink, which is a bactericidal chemical, and hand hot water, and wash the dishes. And dishwater gets dirty or gets cold, replace it regularly. Then put the stuff into the second sink for rinsing off the chemical residues, and remove them, and then allow them to air dry in a clean and disinfected surface. So this is things like your pots, pans, your plates. Those are your articles that you're removing to allow them to air dry. And after drying, store them in a clean place free from contamination. And then we've got chemical dishwasher, and you start with the racks placed at one side and it moves through. Sometimes it's just a single one up and down and taking them out, and it would go through the process, or as this picture is, it's on a conveyor belt. And it's going from the removal of the dirt to the cleaning with the detergent, and then rinsing, and then cleaning with a disinfectant, and then rinsing. But as you're working in the kitchen, you should always be cleaning as you go along. You should be washing your dishes on a regular basis, washing your work surface on a regular basis. Rubbish goes into the bin on a regular basis. So basically, keep your workspace tidy and clean. Now, where you store your rubbish in your bins, it needs to be kept clean. The whole area needs to be kept clean. And you need to use suitable containers for your rubbish. Foot-operated lids are preferable. That's what we've got in our kitchen. And then regularly clean them and get them regularly emptied. And if they've got a lid on them, then they'll be pest proof. So it's your responsibility to know how to use cleaning chemicals properly and safely, to clean as you go, and to report any shortages of cleaning materials or chemicals.